Another cell. Have here, sorry, buy purchase. So 4 persons from your shop, and we have 542,000. Another 5 persons. And then, oh, that's a rare one. No buyers. All right. Now currently we have 726,000. Then, oh, okay, 4 person purchase from the shop. We currently have 900,000. Okay. Then another, we have 2 person purchase from your shop. Then we currently have 111,000 more, or 1 million. I mean, yeah, 1 million more than 1 million more. Sorry. Then we have here a congratulating part. Then we have here statistics. A total of 27 people bought weapons from you. Then the thinking part. Thank you for playing. Then shutting down. So that's it for my code actually, and I hope I'm not very boring to watch. And thank you guys. Thank you everyone for listening. Bye. Have a good day. So I have here my program on prices of 4 Java files, and main flow is the main file for this program. Okay, you have here the public class main flow and a static scan for use in navigate method. Then we have here the static action. This is for user to keep track of the actions done, and is used in the action method. And action method is not part of the navigate method, right? Then we have here the main function, which comprises of a process builder. This process builder is for command prompt and PowerShell console use. Okay, so when you have to type the when you have to run the program, it will erase first the cluttered text, then it will print it will run the program and print all of these. Okay, right? And we have here uh, print function for the title. You have here the help function. This help function will print the description of the game. Okay, and we have here the navigate function, which actually should be only navigate. Okay. Then we have here the navigate method. I said it's a static so that uh, calling it is not very hard. Okay, it's not difficult for us. Okay, and then we have here the comments regarding the navigate function, which says that it acts as a navigation in the game, and it contains all of the methods to be used in this program. Okay, the methods to be used, I mean the useful methods for the program. Okay, we have here another print, and this print function can also be seen in some of the useful methods, so that the user will not confuse what option he or she chose. Okay. Then we have here printing of the currency in the game. Okay. So it will show the current currency you have, and before your goal is reached. Okay. We have here the options. So basically, the options is I'll show you. So the options method is just to print the option in the uh, option of the navigate method, right? So it's for efficiency when if any method is in use, right? To use this, okay? And then we have here the string option. It stores the user input choice. Okay, and in this option variable will go to the switch case. Okay, Then you have here one pull, 10 pull, show pulls, help build, show build, sell, pricing, and exit. And by default, set as invalid option. Try again and redirects the user if option is invalid. Okay, it redirects to navigate again. Okay, I'll show you the help function, the help method. I mean, it's got a title, so as to not confuse the user. You have here a series of print functions. Okay, you're a blacksmith running a weapons business. Your goal is to earn 1,000,000 mora per day. Okay, the prices are set by the laws of your kingdom, and you can change it. So do everything you can to earn. And then it says here redirecting navigation. So tell user that he or she is back to the navigate method. Okay. In this part, it's not necessarily that the goal is per day. In what I mean per day is real time day, in our real time. Okay. Okay. But if it's based actually in the game, it's, you can say that it's a month. It's like your goal is to earn 1,000,000 mora per month. Okay, so that's it. Okay, we'll now go to the one pull method. So we have here another print method. So this will be act as a title. Then we have here the factory methods used to make use of the material type. Okay, have here material type. Then we have here the random material. Okay, so this random material be will generate a number that will what do you call this, correspond to a particular if conditions in our material type, and I will show you that right now. Okay, here you can see we have here the public class material type. You have a method here, get material. Then we have here the random material as before in here, set as the parameter for this method. Okay, then you have here the if methods. Okay, sorry. Okay, if random material is set to, oh god, okay, never mind that. If random material is set less to 35, it will return bronze. And if random material is greater than 35 or and equal to 35 and is less than or equal to 45, then it will return silver. Okay, else if random material is 46 and then material and random material is less than equal to 49, then it will return new gold. Then else if random material is 50, then it will return new diamond. Okay, now we have here total result. Okay, this result, total result will be what do you call this, responsible for the printing function in here. Yeah, in here, print pulls. Okay, so I'll discuss that later. Let's now go to finish the one pull. Okay, after calling the get material function, then printing the results, and also calling the create material function. Okay, will generate one pull. Okay, alright. You have here then the 10 pulls method. So it will first print the title. And then we have here the array integer for to reduce redundancy. Okay, and then we have here the first random material, and this random material 1, and this variable is unique to the other random material, since it is a one rate of material. Okay, for like every 10 pulse. Okay, for integer, uh, okay, this is for loop from 0 to 10, but in here, uh, set it to 0 and then 1 to less than 9, so that's going to be up to 8, from 0 to 8. Okay, we have here a material 2. Okay, so because I set this first to run the material, but it's invalid. Okay, we have here the random material RNG. Okay, random number generator RNG, and then we assign them to each of the slots in the R integer. Okay, then we call here a new material type. We print the results, calling the get material. Okay, and then we create the material for this one. And then we have here another for loop consisting of a get material method, and then the create material for this get material inside the for loop. Then we have the print pools and going back to navigate. Okay, and now let's go to the build function. So this method, I mean, is to build weapon from user configuration. We have here first the build title. You have here another text. The materials needed are as follows. So this will be an instruction. Then it will print the um, materials, the amount of materials needed for each weapon, such as the armor, sword, and shield. Okay. Then here you currently have in this part, in the this will be the it will print the pulse that you currently have according to this line. Okay, then another print function, it's also an instruction. Okay, do you wish to proceed, yes or no? And then we have here the string option again for this line. Okay, and then another switch option. Okay. if if the option is yes, then it will print first the weapon type of your choice. Then you have your another scan, and then another um, instruction, the material type of your choice, then another scan. Okay, then here the instruction or information print function, or type how many builds. Okay, then another scan. Then in here I have to put another scan, even if it does not assign to any variable, because if you scan if you call the scan next integer method, it will still leave a space. So if I don't have a scan next line here, it will yeah it if I don't have a scan next line here, it will leave a space, and uh, that will be that will say that it's a space by the user. It will act as like the space typed by the user. Okay. Okay, so we have here the printfn for spacing. Then we have the for loop with count as a basis for its loop. Then we have here the weapon type function, or weapon type class, and then we have here the get weapon function and the create weapon function. Then we have here the print pulse and then break function for this, because it's a switch case function. switch case condition, and